Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to study about how business decisions are taken based on environmental factors. Now, as we all know that business is not an isolated or an independent activity. Being part of society, its existence is influenced by the environment in which it is operating. It is dependent on both micro and macro factors like economic policies, political developments, change in demography, culture, etc., which keeps on changing. Change in these factors affects functioning and performance of the business, as business is dependent on these factors. These factors provide to business opportunities and they also create threats. So, environmental analysis is undertaken to evaluate each of these factors and to study its implication on the business. Environmental analysis helps to identify the opportunities that these factors provide, which the business can make use of. It also brings to notice the dangers or threats that are posed by these factors. In such case, business can prepare necessary plans to minimize the loss that business has to face due to such threats. So let us now study the process of environmental analysis. First is scanning. This is the first stage in environmental analysis. In this stage, all the factors such as political, economic, social, cultural, financial developments are observed, and information relating to economic and non-economic factors are regularly scanned and necessary information is collected. Next is monitoring. Economic and non-economic events that are happening in the environment have an influence on the business. Such factors are identified and then they are monitored regularly. The trend and direction in which these factors are moving is regularly monitored. Relevant factors are observed continuously and the information is recorded. Next stage is forecasting. Now, forecasting means anticipating or expecting the happenings in the future. The direction in which environmental factors are going to move are forecasted on the basis of scanning and monitoring of these factors. And later, the influence of these factors on business is evaluated and its impact is estimated. Based on that, firm prepares projections, trends, that is the direction in which the business has to move. For example, sales forecast, cost projections, profit projections. It is nothing but you are just making an estimate what could be the probable impact of the factors on the business, that is sales will increase or decrease, profit will increase or decrease, cost of production can increase or decrease. So that is done in forecasting. Next is assessment. Now, assessment means evaluation of facts and information that is collected. Now, why assessment is made? It is made to know why the factors are going to change and how they are going to affect the business, and what kind of preparation and planning the firm has to make to effectively manage the changes. Assessment of relevant factors, their causes and consequences will help a business to take right decision. That is, the business has to make assessment of whatever information it has collected, and this information will help the business to assess what could be the possible changes that might happen to the business because of change in environmental factors. So everything has to be assessed properly so that business can make right decisions and it can smoothly run the business. Because if you ignore the environmental factors and you consider your business as an isolated organization, then you will take wrong decisions. But when you consider business as a part of the society and try to consider the factors that are happening in the society, assessing them properly, continuously monitoring the changes that are happening in the business, and accordingly if you mold your business decision to suit the requirement of environment, then you will see that business is going in the right direction and you are able to earn good amount of profit as well as satisfy your employees, your customers and all your stakeholders. So with this I conclude for today. Thank you.